Hi, I'm Charlie LaRosa, a member of the value team here at Gamco Investors, and here is our take on the markets for June 2022. U.S. equities dipped lower in June, with the S&P 500 recording its second worst monthly performance of the year and dropped further below the bear market threshold. With the S&P 500 closing out its worst first half of the year since 1970, investors braced for more volatility amid heightened inflation and expected interest rate increases. Also, the Russia-Ukraine war and uncertainty associated with the future oil production make it more difficult for investors and consumers to navigate in the current inflationary environment. The Russia-Ukraine war, which now has lasted over 4 months, has severely impacted global trade, specifically commodity prices. Russia's invasion of Ukraine prompted Western powers to ban imports of Russian crude and refined products. In addition, the European Union agreed to ban 90% of Russian oil by the end of the year. In an effort to retaliate, Russia has cut off several exports of natural gas to European countries, which creates additional tension to the existing energy supply crunch. On June 15th, the Federal Reserve announced a 75 basis point rate hike, the most aggressive rate hike since 1994. In an effort to combat inflation, Fed Chairman Jerome Powell acknowledged an unusually large rate hike, but said he does not expect moves of this size to be common. The Fed will continue to monitor inflation, and decisions will be made meeting by meeting. The market awaits the next FOMC meeting on July 26, 27. Despite COVID cases rising in most parts of the U.S., many more people are returning to pre-pandemic activities. To date, roughly 222 million Americans are fully vaccinated, representing roughly 67% of the population. After several false starts, a rotation from growth to value may finally gain traction and provide a tailwind for the appreciation of the undervalued, cash-generative entities we favor. Our portfolio is positioned exceptionally well with inflation conduits, waste collection companies, sports teams, credit card companies, consumer packaged goods, auto aftermarket retailers, which have all had excellent pricing power in prior inflationary environments. Lastly, we continue to see robust M&A and financial engineering activity to surface value. Please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for all Gabelli TV updates. And for more information, visit us online at www.gabelli.com.
Investors should carefully consider investment objectives, risks, charges, and expenses of the fund before investing. The prospectus, which contains more complete information about this and other matters, should be carefully read before investing. To obtain a prospectus, please call 1-800-GABELLI or visit www.gabelli.com.